Hi guys, welcome. My name is Al Green. I'm the general manager here at Fooduary Pizzeria. We're going to open some wine and talk about them today. So first wine we're going to start with is a Moscato. A little pink tab there. Just go ahead and pull that and get that out of here. And we're going to rip this foil off, get that out of there. And also our little lip, pull it towards us, twist off. And here comes the fun. So when opening, you want to put your hand on and give it a slight twist. Once you give it a twist, you're going to put your thumb right there. And you're going to keep your thumb there. Bottle should never pop. It should whisper. It should hiss. And as you continue to twist, pull it towards you, and that's all you should hear. When doing that, you pour right in the middle of the glass. You can continue to pour very slowly, and your bubbles will not fizz too much. And you continue to pour to the middle. Once you get to the end of that pour, twist the bottle back towards you. That stops anything from leaking. Boom. Beautiful Moscato. Just like that. All right, another shortcut. Nice Chianti we have here. Wine key. Wine key comes with a knife. At the bottom of it, you have your little knife there. Take the bottle, hold it away from you. Put your knife here, slice down. Once you slice down, foil pops right off. And then you're gonna take your knife, put it back so you don't cut yourself. Open. Make sure you lay your cork on its side, just like that. This little thing should be right there in the middle. Press down. Once you press down, twist the bottle and twist your wrist. Very, very fast. Once you get to about right there, you want to stop because you want room. Take this part, lift up. While you're doing that, you'll push that down. And you'll just pull up. A lot of people want to do like this. It's very easy if you just use your lever. Go back up like this, put your lever down again, and then, boom. That's how you open your Chianti. You go ahead and twist that off. Same principle applies. Middle of the glass, pour, 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 then twist. Some may run down the side. If you're in a fancy restaurant, that's where they have a napkin. They wipe it so it doesn't go everywhere. And then put your hands at the bottom of the glass, and in a figure-8 kind of motion, you can eventually start to see the legs of that wine. If they have heavy legs, you'll see a nice coating along the glass. If they have light legs, like this Chianti, much more spice, a lot of fruit, elegant tannings, won't have too much legs on it. So it's just a nice coat, nice little snip, and a taste. Cheers. Thanks for tuning in.